Ciao from North Beach, the historic Italian section of San Francisco, which for decades has been an artist and a photographer's paradise. It's long been my favorite section of San Francisco. I love North Beach. If you do too, I urge you to come visit and get pictures of it soon, because the North Beach that we know and love is changing, and it's changing fast.
Italian enclave, it used to be much, much more. They've all gone out.
Which is why, if you love authentic Italian flavor and a classic San Francisco neighborhood that will never be the same again, get out your cameras now.
Remember that the Photo Walk series is all about bringing great places to life in photos and videos. Today's Photo Walk is very special in that it's a 2-for-1. Part 1 is a photo walk, part 2 is an art walk. We're going to see North Beach through my eyes and through the eyes of local artist Jane Victoria Farley, who's got some really nice paintings of all the local restaurants, and she's going to talk about those. But first, I want to show you where, when, and how to get the best photos, and talk about the importance of shooting these great old classic Italian restaurants at dusk, the optimum time. Let's get started, everybody.
Now, of course, you can shoot in daylight and do great, especially of buildings and interiors. Remember, the goal in North Beach is to show old classic Italian remnants and neighborhood icons. But if you're willing to wait till evening, you will really see some colors pop. Okay, I admit that I enhanced these shots with HDR. That's when you merge 3 photos into one normally exposed, one under, and one over. The effect is richer color and detail overall. Watch my HDR video here for more information on how to do it. But the point remains the same. Even on smartphone shots, you will get better color.
I'm talking to you about 15 minutes after sunset. I'm being lit by the neon sign. I don't care if you do this on a smartphone or a camera, you're going to get your best colors at nighttime during magic hour. As to what to photograph in North Beach, of course, you're going to start with your Coit Tower and Lombard Street. They can't be missed. After that, all Italy, all the way. Enjoy the Italian neighborhood, Italian flags, Italian cafes, Italian restaurants, Italian stuff. Just the local color, the street photography, the people photography. You can't go wrong.
If you're not here and you come and you feel like you are in a piece of Italy without visiting Italy.
You want to get a shot of the historic City Lights bookstore. You're too close if you're right in front. If you go across the street, you got cars going up and down the street. Great tip for you. The cars eventually stop. Look, you can get it now. Boom.
North Beach is just up the road from Fisherman's Wharf on Columbus Avenue, with Chinatown on the other side of it. It was famous as the center of the beatnik movement in the 1950s, home to writers like Jack Kerouac and Allen Ginsberg, who are memorialized at a local beat museum and the City Lights bookstore. Unlike other beach cities that we've spoken about here on the Photo Walk series, it's a rare day when you actually see the water at North Beach, unless you venture down to the wharf or Embarcadero. Still, everybody calls it North Beach. It's known for the beat culture and having so many great Italian restaurants in such a small setting. The bad news is that many of the restaurants are going away.
I still miss the Gold Spikes and, Cap's Corner.
Oh, is Cap's gone now?
Oh yeah, Cap's gone. I mean, Caesar, I don't know. Those are old restaurants, they're all gone, Rent, okay? Huge, that's what's happening.
No more Italian people now. You you move in the Bay Area.
Comparing to other neighborhoods in San Francisco, you see it's depressed more than others.
Will North Beach still be North Beach?
Sure, it'll just be different, just because it has changes. Changes that are just, part of a city.
So if you like Old Italy, come now.
Yeah, what's to see what's still left.
So here's our photo walk tip. Grab your cameras and come visit North Beach soon. Let's capture the memories now, as I'll be discussing with the artist Jane Victoria Farley in part 2 of our North Beach San Francisco photo walk, which is an art walk.
As always, please comment, please like, please share, please subscribe, please stay tuned. Thanks everyone.